Ulama say that if you want glad tidings and you want your du'as to be accepted, then increase your salah. Increase your nafal ibadah, increase in your salah, and then make dua to Allah Ta'ala. That dua will be accepted. Today, unfortunately, number one is we don't obey Allah. We do all the sinful things, and then at the same time, we want the best of things. So, how is that dua going to be accepted? Rubba ash'atha aghbara. It comes in a hadith, Yamuddu yadayhi ila sama. Ya Rabbi, Ya Rabbi. There's a person, his hair is disheveled. He doesn't have any, his clothes are all tattered. He draws his hands to the skies and he asks from Allah, Oh Allah, Oh Allah, grant me this, grant me this. But Allah Ta'ala says, how can I accept his dua? Why? وَمَطْعَمُهُ حَرَامٌ وَمَشْرَبُهُ حَرَامٌ وَغُذِيَ فِي الْحَرَامِ وَمَلْبَسُهُ حَرَامٌ. That everything from day to night he's doing is all haram. His food is haram, his drink is haram, his clothing that he's earned and he bought those clothing with is haram. How can I accept his dua? So dua needs to be coupled with ita'at. Very, very important. Obedience. If obedience is there and then you make the dua is readily accepted. That is why we have this custom of getting pious people to do dua for us. Why? Because number one is they are in the obedience of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And it's not against the sunnah. It is not against, because Sahaba radiallahu anhu used to also come and ask Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam for dua. Women used to come to the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam with their children and used to ask the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam to make dua. Obviously, the Prophet's dua is accepted. At the same time, why do we go to pious people to request them to make dua for us? Because they are always in the obedience of Allah. Most of the time, majority of the time, they are in the obedience of Allah. They're not missing their salah like how we do. They're not involved in other sins like how we do. So Allah Ta'ala's mercy is with them, Allah Ta'ala's help and assistance is with them. That is why they say sit in the company of the pious and you will also benefit from some of that piety. Nevertheless,